All right, good morning guys, good afternoon guys, good evening guys. Okay, welcome back to Brainybite tutorial. Okay, so what we do in this channel is I will teach you guys everything that concerns Jamb. We'll talk about Jamb, admission, schools, WAEC and NICO. All right, so that's basically what we'll talk in this our platform. Okay, so if you're a Jamb candidate, please, I want to encourage you to subscribe to our YouTube channel and turn on all bell notification, because everything that concerns Jamb admission and everything that concerns Jamb admission and updates. So we're going to be uploading videos and content here. All right. So now, if you know you registered, if you know you sat for the just concluded UTME examination and you did not do well, you know yourself, you didn't actually do well here. If you didn't actually do well, okay. So I want to encourage you to let me know in the comment section that you want to join our WhatsApp group, because it doesn't matter what your score is. Okay, if you are scared, you know you don't do well, and you are scared of writing Jamb in 2025, maybe you have been writing Jamb for a very long time and you are scared of writing Jamb in 2025 again, you want to gain admission this year, please let me know in the comment section that you want to join us. All right, so I'll be right there to give you my WhatsApp number. All right, so you message me on WhatsApp, and after getting to know you, I'll add you to our WhatsApp group. Okay, so that's one. Secondly, we'll have a WhatsApp community. It is basically for our 2024 registered UTME candidates. Okay, so however, you yourself, you can become one of us. Okay, so the only way you can become one of our member is by letting me know in the comment section that you want to join us. So if you let me know in the comment section that you want to join us, I will have to give you my WhatsApp number, and you message me on WhatsApp, and after getting to know you, I will add you on our WhatsApp group. Okay, so there in our WhatsApp group, you have access to WAEC free answers, NECO free answers, your school updated post UTME past questions, yeah, and a host. You can still, you have you can interact with your fellow aspirants in the group. We have WhatsApp learning center, where you can learn and follow your fellow aspirants and learn a whole lot from there. Okay, so that's that. So if you know that you want to be among the admitted candidates in the year 2024, you want to be among the admitted candidates in the year 2024, and you want to go to school this year, so, and you believe you'll be admitted, one of the admitted candidates in the year 2024, so next year 2025, we are going to launch a program that will help our 2024 candidates financially. Okay, and it is only for those that have joined our WhatsApp group. That is the only people that will benefit from the program. Okay, once the program is launched, you have to benefit from there. You benefit from there financially. So, like, because it is not everybody here that the money the parents will be giving to him or her will be enough. Okay, so while you are working, you are doing the program, you are running the program with us, you'll be getting paid. All right, so that getting paid will help you, and you help yourself to finance some of the things you in school. All right, so please, if you want to join us, the comment section is free for you. Let me know that you want to join us. Okay, so let's get right to the video. Topic of today is Sokoto State University. So as we all know that after the joint admission and matriculation examination, the next thing that awaits us is post-UTME examination. Okay, so it is the school institution of your choice that conducts post-UTME. All right, so however, if your school institution of your choice doesn't conduct post-UTME, you need to buy their screening form and register your screening form. All right, so after that, you don't necessarily need to go to the school before you can be able to for the screening, because they will be the one to do it for you. Okay, so that's for that. So some of you will be asking, when will the form come out, and how can I get the form? Okay, so the form is coming out soon, so it's advised for you to subscribe and turn on bell notification. Once the form is out, I will let you guys know that the form is out. Okay, so that's that, and that's that. And to get the form, we can help you get the form here. You don't necessarily need to go to the school. We'll help you get the form and document everything and send to you across, all right, so that you don't stress yourself. Okay, so that's why we are here. That's what we are here for you. Okay, so please, if you have any other further information, you have any other further thing you want me to help you and do, let me know in the comment section that you are having any challenge, and I will help you to solve the problem. Okay, so we are here, and that's why we are here for you. All right, so until I see you again in our next video, don't forget that I love and cherish you. All right, keep winning.